12:48 here on this Friday, finally Friday afternoon across the valley. If you're making plans, you look out your window, so it's a little cloudy in some areas. The clouds kind of forming early this morning and not breaking up very quickly, but I think we'll see more and more sunshine break through as the afternoon goes on. Temperatures mostly in the upper 80s this afternoon. Kind of muggy, though. A lot of humidity in the air this afternoon, this evening, so temperatures won't be cooling much after sunset. We'll be probably in the 70s later this evening and most of tonight. Clouds are out there, but no rain, and we zoom this out, and you see it is fairly quiet across Texas right now, but it could be an active weekend. If you are traveling around the state, you know, I know we're coming up on Easter week here. Next weekend is Easter weekend, but dry weather across Texas now, but it could be kind of stormy or even wintry across Texas this weekend. We'll show you here in a second what that means. Here is Future Track, and this afternoon, 4 p.m., a warm front moving back across Texas, helping to warm temperatures up and raise humidity. That will be the trend through tomorrow, but a little front off to the west starting to roll in on Saturday. That storm system could start to spread some winter-type weather across northwest Texas and then some bigger storms east out ahead of it. So watch how the map here shows tomorrow afternoon. The front, there will be, I showed you on the other map earlier, a little weak front that goes through early tomorrow afternoon to help dry the air out and probably will heat things up here. But the main front with the cooler weather is farther away to the northwest. This front, though, could spark some bigger storms in East Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana tomorrow. But look at this blue stuff. That's still some snow that could be falling around Amarillo in northwest Texas tomorrow. Then the cooler air comes down here later tomorrow night and Sunday. And Sunday looks like a beautiful day here. Now that we're getting toward mid-April, it's hard to get those, you know, nice sunny days where it's cool in the morning and warm in the afternoon without a lot of humidity. So Sunday, definitely a five-star day there. And then behind that, we stay fairly cool into Monday, but I think by Monday, the humidity gradually rising, but still Monday overall looks like a nice day. It may get a little breezy in the afternoon, but you'll probably feel more humidity by Tuesday. Now, I said about winter-type weather. Check out the snowfall forecast on the NAM computer model. This kind of is overdoing the numbers a bit, but you notice blue here in northwest Texas this weekend, tomorrow. Now, this blue color shows like 6 inches of snow, which probably isn't going to happen. It's probably going to be more like 1 to 2 inches at the most, and then melting pretty quickly because it will be mainly in the 30s during the daytime. But, you know, if for some reason you find yourself in northwest Texas tomorrow, you might see some snowflakes. And then all that snow will be headed up into the Midwest, though, into parts of Wisconsin, maybe by later on Sunday. So there's still some winter out there, just, of course, not here, but some of that cooler weather trying to get here later in the weekend. There will be some bigger storms in Texas, too. The severe weather outlook for Saturday does have a bigger risk of severe storms in East Texas. This is more of an enhanced risk of severe weather or greater up on our scale, so some big-time risk of storms. Across the country, though, you can see there is still some chilly air on the map. Only 32 right now in Denver and 35 in Minneapolis. So there's still some winter stuff out there. It's just we're only getting a little bit of the cooler, less humid weather here coming our way for Sunday and into Monday morning. So the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 88 tomorrow and 94 on Saturday, and then 80 cooler, less humid on Sunday. It could be a little breezy behind the front Saturday night and Sunday, especially at the coast, but things look pretty nice here on Sunday. And then we have another front that could cool temperatures by about next Wednesday night or Thursday, but in between we do have some more hot weather ahead later next week. We'll track in your first 1-5 forecast throughout the weekend. Dina?